Boom, 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 boom. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Anne's Creations Workshop. It's been a while.
Yoo-hoo.
But, oh, okay. What is that? Anyway, that's fine. So, yes, in the Christmas spirit, we're going to make something non-Christmassy out of that. It's old pallet wood, which has been around for a while. It's looking a bit sad for itself, so we'll have to plane it a bit. And you'll see how the process goes. I've never done this before, but let's see what happens. Okay, now it's time to stick it on the lathe. We're going to follow a design. My nephew drew it for me. I don't know where I put it though. Anybody seen it? Have you seen it? I don't know. Oh, yeah, that's what we kind of want to follow. And you can see all the lines. That's going to be the grain of the wood, all the different directions. Why is it here? Anyway, I'll be back now. There we have that. It's all glued and dried. Hopefully that's been about 3 days. So now I'm just going to remove it from the clamps and chuck it on the lathe. Okay, so we've got it on the lathe, and first step is to just get it round. As you can see, this wood is quite old and got pieces missing and a bit of rot here and there. So like most of our projects, let's see what happens. Oh, dearie me. Oh, there we go. There we go. Excuse me. Okay, so now we have sanded it. I've spun it in both directions, sanded the grain the best we can. And in a leap of faith, excuse me, we're going to use the very dark Rubio Monocoat again. From our past experiences, it does wild things with the grain. So we're going to go for a very old rustic look, because you can see we've got all these cracks and it's pulled away from the glue in some areas. We've tried to fix it the best we can, but that's what happens with old rotten wood. So it's a bit of a risk, but we're going to try. Let's see. There we go, it's done. How cool, how cool. Just kidding. Okay, it's now time to make the roof. So I'm going to just cut this out and chuck it on the lathe and turn it into something funny. We'll see. Generally, lighthouses have white lights. Not this one. Look at that. I don't know what the ships will do if they saw this. They wouldn't know if they were on planet Earth anymore. But there we have it. That is my take on a lighthouse. It's non-traditional, but I think it's pretty damn cool.